This is a disclaimer that we are not affiliated. This is just going to be a total honest review of this cabin.
So if you guys have seen our other video, I'll link it up here. You know that we checked out another model just like this. It's a LoneStar building. And guys, let's check this out real quick. It's a 14 by 32, and that includes a 4-foot front porch. And then this style itself is called the Galveston floor plan. So as you can tell, it's got a big living room area in here. You got the nice fan up top, the lights. You got the recessed lights up here. And then as you keep going around, the awesome windows that I absolutely love are up here at the top with big, these are probably 3x5 windows, I'm pretty sure. So these are actually 3x4 windows up here. And then they are double pane, so they're insulated really well. And then you got 3x3 windows on this wall, on the side walls. But you get plenty of room in here in the living room area. And so let's just go ahead and start walking through. We'll start on this side. And so before you go into the bathroom, there is a washer and dryer hookup. This is for a stackable, so that's perfect size there if you want it. If not, it's there if you need it though. And then in here in the bathroom, as you can tell, it's trimmed up real nice and stuff. It's got a nice door on it. But it's got a little vanity and everything set up. It's got a medical cabinet in here, your lighting. You got your switches here on this side, outlet here, so whatever you need, it's all ready to go. And then you have your toilet, which is a decent toilet, a little window here, and a full shower and tub setup. This is plenty big enough to get in. You're not feeling cramped or anything. And then you got the recessed light up top. You got a fan up here to keep the moisture out. And then out here, as we come back out, we will go check the kitchen area. So you got your breaker box area here, your light switch, and then you got your fan, which is cool. And then you have your corrugated metal ceiling up here on top. You have that in the bathroom as well, which is really cool, gives it that nice rustic look. And then in this section, I believe is for your refrigerator. And this is a full-size refrigerator with some storage up top. These cabinets are pretty good. And then I believe you can also get different colors and stuff like that whenever you custom order it. Here you could do your stove and oven and either microwave or a fan or a vent. And then you got more cabinet space up here. Corner cabinet space with this cool, I don't even know what you call this, but it's got the little thing you can utilize the corner in there. You got plenty of cabinet space. You got a nice sink, more cabinet space up here, and then all these drawers, which they're the slow closing ones. I'm not really 100% sure what you call that, but that's a really cool feature. Down here, you got the corner cabinet, and so you utilize all the space. You're not losing anything. But that's the kitchen. It's very roomy in here. And then as you come in here, they've got the mini split system. I'm pretty sure that's gonna heat and cool this whole area down real nice. But as you can tell, there's outlets everywhere. You got the painted siding for the walls, which is really cool and be pretty durable. It's probably a lot better than sheetrock whenever you have to move this thing. And so this place is pretty awesome. So we're gonna go over the some of the specs real quick. So again, it's a 14 by 32. This is called the Galveston floor plan, and with all the bells and whistles and everything in here, it's $39,897. And so on this building, you get spray foam insulation and everything. It's 12-inch on center floors, 16-inch on center walls, 2-foot center on the roof, but then you get spray foam insulation, which is really strong, keeps it compact. And then they have radiant barrier on the whole thing. So you have the outside sheet, then you have radiant barrier with plywood and radiant barrier, and then spray foam, and then the inside wall. So these things are very, very well insulated. We're standing inside right now, and it's fairly comfortable. It's a kind of a nasty day outside, but it feels comfortable in here. So I believe with the mini split system and all that, that you'd be perfectly fine. Again, all the windows are insulated, and this is a pretty cool little cabin. So if you are interested in this floor plan or this building, it's LoneStar Sheds, and it's free shipping within 30 miles. They can ship anywhere you want in the US, but it's gonna cost. So if you're in California or Florida or wherever you're at, you can call them and they will give you a quote on shipping. Just know it's gonna be a little more than if you were local. And all of these cabins are completely customizable. They hardly ever do it exactly like the floor plan because every customer wants something different. So don't be scared to call them and try to figure out, you know, if you like this, but you want to change something, if you want to change the door, if you want to change where the door is, if you want to change the windows, how many windows, anything like that, they can totally customize it. And we will show you the floor plan for this one real quick. And on our last video, a lot of you asked, well, is it ready to go? You know, we didn't see refrigerators or anything like that. You buy your own refrigerator, all your own appliances, you take care of that. But as far as electric and water, they have it set up to wherever you need the plug to be on the outside or the drainage or whatever, they can set it up wherever you need it. So all of that is totally custom. So if you need it to have the water hookup in the front and electric in the back, they can do that. So don't be scared to ask them about that. Hopefully you guys liked this video. Again, at the very beginning of the video, we linked another one that we did that was almost just like this. And a lot of you had questions, but hopefully we answered them all now. And if you didn't, go down in the comments, ask some questions. We'll try to figure them out. We will get you in contact with LoneStar Sheds. We're gonna put the information on there for you guys. So hopefully this helped out. Hopefully it's something you wanna do. And if you want to live this lifestyle and get debt free, this is a great way to do it.